Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all doing this Thursday afternoon? Thank you so much for joining me here today. This is your fourth stimulus check update and daily news report. I will be going over how Congress is working very hard on passing the next spending bill and how you can claim unemployment benefits even after the Labor Day cutoff. In a video later today, I will be announcing the winner of this week's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. Federal unemployment benefits lapsed on Labor Day, but there's good news for Americans who have been waiting for weeks or months for that aid to arrive. They can still collect back pay past the cutoff date. Workers who have not yet applied for the federal assistance can still do so, but many have less than 30 days to act. Delayed unemployment benefits have been a common occurrence during the crisis. State unemployment offices have contended with hurdles such as a historic volume of claims, understaffing, antiquated technology, and implementation of new rules and programs. Data suggests thousands of people may still be waiting for aid to arrive. About 90% of applicants, or about 104,000 Americans, whose first payment of state benefits arrived in July, had to wait at least 70 days to receive the funds. However, U.S. states will disperse any federal benefits owed to all eligible applicants. Those now expired benefits include funds for the long-term unemployed and others, like the self-employed, independent contractors, and gig workers who don't usually qualify for state unemployment insurance. They also had a $300 weekly supplement. According to California's Employment Development Department, any weeks of unemployment that occurred before these programs can expire and still be paid retroactively if a claimant is later determined to be eligible for those weeks of benefits. The Labor Department reported that federal benefits lapse on either Saturday or Sunday in all states due to their administrative rules. Nearly 9 million people who were poised to lose all benefits and another 3 million were set for a $300 weekly cut in aid. Workers in the state of Michigan, for example, who are waiting for a ruling from the state on their qualification for benefits, can also get those funds retroactively paid. Many jobless individuals eligible for federal benefits before Labor Day have a limited time in which to apply, if they have not done so already. All states must accept new applications for the pandemic unemployment assistance for 30 days after the program is expired. Workers in 26 states that ended some or all federal benefits early are out of luck though. The 30-day application window in those states started in June or July, when they withdrew from these programs, and that time period has already elapsed.
Chuck, thank you very much. As an old joke goes, if my father were here, he'd say thank you. If my mother were here, she'd say, who are you talking about? Look, folks, let me begin by saying I wish every American could walk down this alley with me to see and talk to the people who've been devastated. Just talk to them. None of them were shouting or complaining. Every one of them were thanking me as if it was something special. I mean it sincerely, that I was here and hoped that we'd be able to do something. This is America, where I'm standing right now. These are the people, whether it's in Scranton or Claymont or anywhere around the world, the country, who built this country. And it's about time we step up. They're always the first ones that are hurt and the last ones that are helped. But that's not going to happen this time. The group I have standing with me, led by Chuck Schumer, and your Congresswoman, is this your district?
Grace Meng.
Oh, it's Grace's district. No, it's
Cortez.
I want to thank her personally for her gumption, the way she's fought and hollered and fought so hard for all the people in this alley. I really mean it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But that goes for everybody here. And look, folks, you know, I want to thank Governor for and Leader Schumer and Kristen, I should say Senator Gillibrand, and Congresswoman Ming and Maloney and Meeks and Mayor de Blasio for being here. You know, It's not, how can I say this? Sometimes some very bad things happen that have a tendency to bring out the best in a people and a country. And I think what people are seeing across this country, from the wildfires in California and the far west, which I'm heading to in a couple days.
The long-term unemployed eligible for emergency unemployment compensation also seem to have a time limit to submit applications. However, that window is not as straightforward. It does vary from state to state, based on its respective law for late filing of claims. In just a few months, the new child tax credit featuring advanced monthly payments has relieved financial instability and lowered food insecurity for many families with children, reducing it to 8.4% from 14.2%, a fall of roughly 40%. And this is according to a recent study by Gregory Axe, who's the Vice President for Income and Benefits Policy at the Urban Institute, and Kevin Werner, a research analyst in the Income and Benefits Policy Center at Washington, D.C. In 2021, a family of four earning $26,500 or less is considered to live in poverty, according to guidelines from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. The median national household income was $68,703 in 2019. Everyone, the key word for this video is orange. Please make sure to comment this keyword to enter. Please make sure to comment below this keyword to enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. During the month of March, the federal government's American Rescue Plan expanded the existing child tax credit to $3,000 from the $2,000 for children up to age 17, with an additional $600 for children under the age of 6. Many families are receiving half of the credit in advance monthly payments, with a maximum of $250 each month for children aged 6 to 17, and $300 per month for those under the age of 6. The American Rescue Plan also made the child tax credit fully refundable, meaning that families can get it as a refund even if they don't have any tax liability. This ensures that children in the poorest families are not left out. So in a typical year, meaning one that isn't marked by a crisis, the expanded child tax credit would lift some 4.3 million children out of poverty. In all but 3 states, California, Florida, and Texas, the benefit would bring the child poverty level to 10%. In 11 states, a continued child tax credit would reduce child poverty by 50%. So everyone, what are your thoughts on what's going on? And also, do you think that the expanded child tax credit is enough relief for the American people? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me here this afternoon. I greatly and truly appreciate it. Please enter my Walmart gift card giveaway by subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and commenting below the keyword of the day. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very blessed Thursday.